Na shame say the numbers of tourists wey dey enter Naija dey very small. Pololikashvili to Buhari. President Muhammadu Buhari don tok say Naija don ready gidigba to host the first ever global conference for tourism, culture and creative industry for November this year for a safe and secure environment. He come yarn say the event na opportunity for the country to showcase its tourism and creativity to the whole world. He tok this one when he carry waka visit the headquarters of United Nations World Trade Organization (UNWTO). President Buhari will be the first Naija president to visit the headquarters of UNWTO since Naija joined for 1975. Contact the organization when them take allow Naija host the global conference.
This is further proof of Nigeria's support of the vision of the organization and also an affirmation of the confidence reposed in our country by your organization. The event provides yet another opportunity for Nigeria to showcase its tourism and creative industry.
President Kontok said this conference could be another opportunity to extend the country warm hospitality give the world and introduce leisure and business sectors for potential investors. Buhari come the Secretary General when he take grant 100 UNWTO online academic scholarships, say he go help boost youth empowerment, education and manpower shortage for tourism sector.
I want to assure you that Nigeria is ready to deliver our world-class conference this November. And we assure all participants from within and outside the country of a safe and secure environment, as well as excellent facilities. I look forward to stronger and more mutually rewarding relationship between Nigeria and the United Nations World Tourism Organization in years ahead.
Pololikashvili will be the Secretary General for UNWTO Kontok say Buhari visit na straight confirmation of how tourism dey very important to Naija. He come promise say UNWTO will help the country culture and tourism potentials.
And we have long-term commitment with Nigeria to develop tourism and to attract more and more tourists in Nigeria. The numbers are very small. It's a shame, I think, that Nigeria has to receive much more tourists to see the beauty and to meet the culture and beauty of Nigerian people, which is most important.
Minister for Information Lai Mohammed Kontok say Buhari visit is significant and timely, say na to strengthen the mutual respect with between UNWTO and Naija.
We must not fail to remember that for every 10 jobs in the world, tourism provides one. And that revenue from tourism all over the world is about 2.5 trillion naira today. After agriculture, tourism and the creative industry also employs the largest number of people in Nigeria, especially women and youth. So the fact that the president, came to visit the UNWTO Secretariat shows again the importance Mr. President attaches to tourism and the creative sector.
Ebo Sereme Obinome, TMC TV News.